Solid wood decorations are wonderful additions to displays as they often look great anywhere and any time of day. They are a broad type of decoration that is a medium for an almost infinite number of vendors to use as a canvas for their vision. Frequently, they can be looked at as mannequins that can be dressed up as you choose, adding bows, garland, lights, or whatever other vision you have. Their pros are their ability to dress up your property during the daytime, that they are usually flattish, and that the non-wood parts are usually easy to replace. The negatives are that they are often bulky and heavy, making them sometimes harder to store and more easily damaged in the process. If the wood itself is damaged, those issues are rarely fixable, or if they are, the fixes do make the decoration less aesthetically pleasing. Also, while they are usually weather treated, that doesn't mean they won't eventually rot. See you next time, holiday artists. Please come visit my site, critique my ideas, and tell me what topics you would like to see discussed.